Hello friends, I am Pushpa, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, Government First Grade College, Raichur. So again I am back with the topic protection and deprotection of hydroxyl, that is alcohol group. So in our previous session we completed with the protection of amines, and this session includes protection and deprotection of hydroxyl group. So before going into detail about protection of hydroxyl group, in my previous class already explained what you mean by a protecting group, why the functional group should be protected. So protecting groups are used in the synthesis to temporarily mask the characteristic chemistry of a functional group because it interferes with another reaction. That means when there are two functional groups in a molecule, one of the functional group is temporarily masked so that it should not interfere with another functional group. And a good protecting group should be easy to put on, easy to remove, and should be inert to the conditions of the reactions required. So here are some of the hydroxyl or alcohol protecting groups: acetyl, benzoyl, benzyl, beta methoxy ethoxy methyl ether called as MEM, methoxy methyl ether called as MOM, and silyl ethers. Now, some of the protecting group for alcohols we have chosen are acetyls, acting as a protecting group for alcohols, ethers, and esters. Now, why acetyls are used as a protecting group for alcohols? Acetyls are used as a protecting group for alcohols in organic synthesis because they are stable with respect to hydrolysis by base, mild acids, oxidizing and reducing agents. Now, what do you mean by an acetyl? An acetyl is an organic compound where two separate oxygen atoms are single bonded to a central carbon, and the carbon bearing oxygen atom is called the acetyl carbon. So we shall do acetyl as a protecting group for alcohols, which includes tetrahydropyran derivatives, methoxy ethoxy methyl MEM derivatives, and methoxy methyl ether MOM. So first we are selecting tetrahydropyran as a protecting group. So you see here alcohol is being protected using THP, that is tetrahydropyran, and acetyl is formed here. What is an acetyl? Already I told. An acetyl is an organic compound where two separate oxygen atoms are single bonded to a central carbon. So an acetyl is formed here, and this acetyl is cleaved or deprotected in the presence of an acid, that is acid hydrolysis takes place to get back the alcohol. So this is the way where alcohol is protected. Now we are using MEM as a protecting group. MEM is nothing but methoxy ethoxy methyl chloride, which protects the primary alcohol in the presence of mild base to form an acetyl. So acetyl, again you see here the two carbon atoms are linked by a single carbon. So after the formation of an acetyl, so the acetyl is then deprotected in the presence of an acid to get back the alcohols. Next we have MOM as a protecting group. So MOM is nothing but methoxy methyl chloride. So methoxy methyl chloride reacts with the primary alcohol to form an acetyl again. So this is an acetyl where two oxygen atoms are singly bonded to a carbon. Then I told you already the protection takes place in the presence of a base. Then they are stable. The acetyl so formed is stable to oxidizing and reducing agent. So deprotection takes place in the presence of an acid to get back the alcohol. Next we shall go for ethers as a protecting group for alcohols. So as we know, the functional group for ethers is ROR'. It includes benzyl ethers, tertiary butyl ethers, and in the presence of a catalyst palladium to form or to generate back our primary alcohol. So this is how alcohols are protected in the form of an ether using benzyl chloride. So let us note a point here. The ether formation is stable to base, mild acids, oxidation and reduction. Therefore, ether formation is always stable to the base. So, it is deprotected in the presence of a catalyst. Next, we should take tertiary butyl ether as a protecting group for alcohols. The primary alcohol reacts with tertiary butyl alcohol where the protection takes place in the presence of a mild acid. So, here the formation of ether takes place, RCH2O, and this is tertiary butyl, and deprotection takes place in the presence of an acid to get back the alcohol. So, this is the formation of an ether. Now we shall use silyl ether as a protecting group for alcohols. Silyl is nothing but silicon. So we are using trimethyl silicon chloride as a protecting group for alcohols. So it is protected in the presence of a pyridine to form silyl ether. So you see here the oxygen atom is bonded to silicon and carbon. This silyl ether is then deprotected in the presence of an acid to get back the alcohols. So here silyl ethers are used as a the trimethyl silyl ethers we used earlier are attacked by certain nucleophiles. So to overcome this problem, number of more bulky trialkyl silyl protecting groups have been developed. Some of them here we have here is TRIPSA, which is nothing but tri-isopropyl silicon ethers. And the next one is tertiary butyl dimethyl. You see in the side we have two methyl groups, tertiary butyl dimethyl silicon ethers, and third one is tertiary butyl, and at the side you see two phenyl groups. So tertiary butyl diphenyl silicon ethers are some of the bulky trialkyl silyl which are used as a protecting groups for alcohols. Thank you.